Hey, what's up, you six travelers? What are you doing there? Come here.
Yeah, that's better. Up from around the good world here, and today I have an announcement to make. Tomorrow I'm gonna start an adventure from Vienna that I'm currently based all the way to Greece throughout the Balkans. The whole trip will last around 2 months and my budget is 200 euros. Yes, 200 euros for the whole journey. If you're wondering, my daily budget will be around 3.5 euros. To achieve that I will have to couch surf, hitchhike and camp as much as possible. That's why I bought this second-hand 10€ tent the other day and it's worth every cent. You will have the time to see it in action in the upcoming videos. If you're following me on Instagram, then you already know about this trip as I'm posting there daily. So if you want to experience the trip live with me, go follow me there for all the updates. As for YouTube, I will make a video every single week to bring you on board. The route isn't totally fixed yet as I like the freedom of changing plan in any given time. But after Austria I will cross Slovenia and then Croatia. And that's as far as I know. It will be a hell of a ride and I want you to be as excited as I am. But it's not gonna be a walk in the park full of butterflies and fairy tales. Being on the road for so long on such a tight budget comes with many hardships and obstacles. And I will share with you every piece of this budget travel reality. To be honest, I'm a bit afraid of the unexpected. But through my experience I've learned that you cannot feel happiness if you haven't been through pain. So I'm embracing all that fear and smash right through it. Ouch. I'm so freaking excited as I love the Balkans so much. And I bet you're gonna love them too. Okay, time to prepare now. See you in the morning. Ah, delicious. Time to go. So the adventure has officially started, so I need to get the subway and then the bus. My spot. I came here, I'm on the highway, almost on the highway, and I'm gonna start hitchhiking all the way to Graz. Let's get it going! It's around 170 kilometers to Graz. I'm not sure I'm gonna arrive today, but I hope I will. So if you wanna know what's gonna happen, check out the next episode and always remember that spending less is travel more. Thanks for watching, be well and see ya!